Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Nazreen, welcome to my health, fitness and meditation channel में आपकी आमद का शुक्रिया. Today we are going to discuss the growth stages of baby budgies from an egg to a baby chick. Please hit the bell icon button, like, share and subscribe.
Hello viewers, we have an addition in the family. We have Mintu, which was born on February 12th at 4 p.m. and now we have 8 budgies. So these are the parents of the Mintu, and they are like taking care of him. He is just almost little, he was almost like a quarter. That's an American quarter. So he was almost, when he was born, he was not bigger than quarter. Now he's moving and his belly is full. Could you show me if his belly is full or not, please?
Okay.
Yeah, so we're gonna see that if he's, yeah, it's yellow. So when his belly is yellow, so Pinchu is a new addition to our family, and now we have 3 baby budgies and 6 adult budgies. Alright viewers, I hope you like it, and we will monitor Pintu's growth as he becomes bigger and bigger and starts flying. Okay, logging off. Today is February 13th, 2022. Have a good day.